That's how I usually feel. But wow, when I went on, I was almost like, how can you not take this? My boss was like, Utopia. That's the shit. Oh my gosh, it was insane. Yeah.
We'll be right back after these messages. How about I tell you a joke? Would you call a cow with no legs ground beef? Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycomb. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. I'm gonna tell you a dirty joke. Okay? It's so dirty. A man fell in the mud. That's dirty. Very, very dirty. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Duh. Now back to the show. I need another Coca-Cola. So where are you doing? Where we at? We're at Goodness Nails. 2 miles by the house. Oh. Is Jughead getting his nails done? Yes. He's getting Glindafied. Yeah, because work. It's been 2 weeks. Okay? And if he doesn't work, somebody from work tell him he's got to get his nails done. Okay? So right here? Yeah. Right here. Okay, so how long that's going to take? Probably about an hour. Oh my goodness. And I don't have a cell phone. Nope. You're 10. What happens if somebody wants to try to take me? Scream and holler. But if I had a cell phone, you can track me. Yes, but you don't need that. Aw. But what am I gonna do? Sit here and read a book. And what book can I read? They banned them all. Okay, we'll read a comic book. They banned that too. Okay, well, I don't know. Sit here and daydream like I do. About what? I don't know anything and everything. Okay. It's not working. It's only been 1 second, and I feel like he's been here forever. Oh, this is gonna be so boring. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? That was good.
Yeah, I think it's because I follow him. I don't want to. You put this situation, you're dead to me.
Get the doors, Dominoes!